Okay, so quick walkthrough of the gear that we've got now after this install. So we've got our bucket sensor down here. It's nice, actually. They've got this mounted here, welded on this like hydraulic line. They've run the wires in just to protect it a little bit more. Here we've got a tilt sensor connection for the tilt bucket. They come up, arm sensor up there, then up there to the boom sensor, and then down tucked in here, hard to see, there's a body sensor. Moving to the back here, we've got these two antennas. They are slightly different than the other ones we had. We'll just pop up and have a look at them. So same idea, but now it's kind of nice. They've got wires run right up in the tube and out here. Got a grommet, quick little clamp setup. Nice for calibrating. They've got this center mark here. So those are pretty cool. Let's go to the cab here. This is the best part, in my opinion. So before we had a bit of a bigger tablet up here. Now we've got this MC box here. This is like the computer, does all the thinking. It runs up to this tablet, this new tablet. Pretty sweet. It's like low profile. Let's see if we can get this turned here. Same display as before, but supposed to be a bit quicker processing. Definitely nicer to work with, the smaller, less wires. Before we had wires at the bottom here. So yeah, that's really cool. One of the key things I really like about this is that this unit here has its own battery. So like I can take this connection out the side here. It'll run without power from the machine. And then they've got this data cable here for handling all the sensors and stuff. But you can take this and you can take this home with you. Just disconnect it off your RAM mount at the back there. And then, for example, if you want to work on a project at home, you know, throw a CAD file up in here and make sure you're good to go for the next day. You can take that home and do a little bit of planning the night before so that when you get to site, everything's loaded up and you're just good to go. So that's pretty cool. Really like that. So in the cab, that's about it for changes. So we did end up going with a new Basin Rover system as well. So these guys at Digital Terrain Solutions,